everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about oranges, and I've got a list of some specific food and flavor combinations that are known to work well with oranges. This is part 2. It's a long list. If you haven't seen part 1, I've got the link below in the description box. Combine oranges with chili pepper flakes, garlic, ginger, and soy sauce. Oranges with cilantro and jicama. Oranges with cinnamon, honey, and pears. Oranges with cranberries and pears. Oranges with fennel and olives. Oranges with fennel and walnuts. Oranges with fennel, watercress, and white beans. Oranges with goat cheese, pomegranates, and walnuts. Oranges with honey and rosemary. Oranges with pecans and radicchio. How about oranges with sesame seeds and spinach? Sounds like a delicious salad. Well, I do hope this helps to give you some ideas that you need. This is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.